count it in, one breath, no doubt. Skate shoes, heart loud. Whoa! I wake up like a thunderclap. Coffee shakes in the paper cup. Scars on my knees from the times I crack. Still I stomp, still I stand back up. Backpack full of wild plans. Half-baked duct tape drawn in pen. Every bruise on my shin says, get up, go, harder again. This is my supernova fist fight. Punching holes right through the night. Ever you can't get set on fire. Watch me climb that failing wire. If the world wants me to sit tight, I'll turn the volume past the red line. I'm not here just to survive. I'm here to blast the sky alive. Whoa!
T-Dog Nation, welcome to a brand new Hot Wheels tournament. I have gathered 12 different Hot Wheels pickup truck castings to all compete in a pickup truck tournament, and whichever one comes out on top is going to punch their ticket with this custom 18 Ford Mustang as driver number 2 in the first ever T-Dog Champions League tournament. So without further ado, let's get the first 4 lined up. And kicking us off for this Hot Wheels pickup truck tournament. In this first group, we have a 2020 Toyota Tacoma, a 2015 Ford F-150, a Ford Maverick Custom, and a Dodge Ram racing truck. Okay, we are going to run 2 races with each group, but the winner from each race will advance to the round of 6. Race 1, here we go. Oh my, great race. Lane 1 belongs to the Toyota Tacoma. They are the first truck in the round of 6. Race number 2, who is advancing? It's going to be the Dodge Ram racing truck. For group number 2, in lane 1 is a Dodge Ram 1500 Rebel, then a Mazda Repu, that awesome Dodge D100, and right next to him is a Datsun 620. It's going to be the Mazda Repo. And let's shut those gates. Race number 4. It's gonna be a nice and easy win for the Datsun 620. And for our final group of this first round, this might be our fastest group yet. In lane 1 is a 2009 Ford F-150. Lane 2 is a Ford F-150 Lightning. In lane 5 we have that very, very fast Chevy race truck, and right beside them in 6 is that Chevy Silverado EV. Go! Oh my goodness, great race, but it's going to be the 2009 Ford F-150 to take that first race from this group. Marks, get set, go. Who's taking that last spot? Oh my goodness, what a race! But it's going to be lane 2, the EV Silverado. These next 2 races will be a one and done. Who is going to the pickup truck final race? Will it be the Toyota Tacoma, the Dodge Ram truck, or the Mazda Repo? One and done. Here we go. They're off. Good race by all 3. But it belongs to lane 3, the Dodge Ram racing truck. And to join that Dodge Ram is going to be either the Datsun 620, the 2009 Ford F-150, or the Chevy Silverado EV. And the next and final card is going to be, no surprise there, the 2009 Ford F-150. And then there were two. Now, instead of this being a best of 3, we are doing a best of 5, or the first car to win 3. Is it going to be the Dodge Ram or the F-150? Whichever truck gets to 3 wins first will not only be the pickup truck champion, but will earn spot number 2 in the first ever T-Dog Champions League event. Race number 1, go! Who gets the first win advantage? It's gonna be the F-150 taking race number 1. Is the F-150 going to go up by 2? Yes, he will. The F-150 is up 2-0. All he needs is one more. Can he go for the clean sweep? It could be all said and done right here. And it is. The F-150 makes a clean sweep and is the pickup truck champion and is the next car in the Champions League. And there you have it, T-Dog Nation. The 2009 Ford F-150 is the pickup truck champion and will join that custom 18 Ford Mustang in the Champions League. If you guys did enjoy, please do me a big favor. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and ring that bell to never miss a time that I post. And also I have an announcement. Starting next Wednesday, I am only going to be posting every Wednesday, once a week, and that is because I have some big ideas planned, and I need some more time to work on them. So starting next Wednesday, there is only going to be one upload per week. With that being said, I will see you guys next time as we continue to race beyond limits, one track at a time. T-Dog is checking out.